We're going to explain how to convert a char to an int in C. This is a common task in programming, especially when dealing with character input or ASCII values. There are several ways to accomplish this, and we'll cover the most straightforward and efficient methods. 1. Implicit conversion. C often handles this conversion implicitly. If you assign a char variable to an int variable, the compiler will automatically perform the conversion. The char's ASCII value is used as the integer representation. For example, soy char my char equal a, int my int ao my char. Implicit conversion print. The integer value of %c is %n, my char, my int. This code will print the integer value of a is 65, because the ASCII value of a is 65. This is the simplest method and often sufficient. However, be mindful of potential issues with signed versus unsigned chars, which we'll discuss later. 2. Explicit casting. For better clarity and to emphasize the conversion, you can use explicit casting. This involves using the cat operator before the char variable. For instance, t char my char equals na b, int my int equal int my char. Explicit casting print. The integer value of %c is %d2, my char, my int. This achieves the same result as implicit conversion, but the code explicitly shows the conversion taking place. This makes the code more readable and easier to understand, especially for beginners or more complex programs. 3. Handling signed and unsigned chars. Remember that char can be either signed or unsigned, depending on your compiler and system settings. A signed char can represent values from 128 to 127, while an unsigned char represents values from 0 to 255. If your char is signed and holds a negative value, the conversion to int will preserve the negative sign. For example, if char my char equals 50, then int my int equals int my char will result in my int being worth 50. If you're working with unsigned chars and want to ensure consistent behavior, using explicit casting clarifies your intent and avoids potential surprises. 4. Subtracting 0 for digits. If your char variable contains a digit character, 0 to 9, you can convert it to its integer equivalent by subtracting the ASCII value of 0. This works because the ASCII values of digits are consecutive. C char digit char equals 7, int equal digit char 0, converts 7 to 7 print. The integer value of %c is %d digit char digit int. This method is specific to digits and provides a concise way to convert character digits to their numerical representations. It's often used in parsing numerical strings. In summary, converting a char to an int in C is usually straightforward. Implicit conversion often suffices, but explicit casting enhances code readability. Always keep in mind the signedness of your char variable to avoid unexpected behavior. For digit characters, subtracting 0 offers a simple and efficient conversion technique. Choosing the right method depends on the specific context of your program and your coding style.